It's my friend's garage door. Had to help them a lot. I'm using my deep socket set, make sure everything is tight. I'm going to try to attempt a trailer pull. Here's my trailer. There's going to be a card probably about right here that will show the video this was in. This motor worked. I'm going to try and turn it on. It can move the trailer, and with just a very low voltage, I would put my hand there and it's easily 20 pounds of force. It just scooted off the ground. It's that powerful. So I'm thinking I can use this for pulling stuff or as like a stuff lift. The pull went well. The garage opener ended up being able to pull about 50 pounds, I'd say. I'm not exactly sure how much it was, but it pulled a ton of weight, and that was good. Please join my Discord server. Also, support me on Patreon. You'll see spoilers, early access, behind the scenes, and a bunch of other good stuff. I have a Discord server. Link is in the description. Please subscribe.